हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू अजरा खान फिटनेस। आई एम योर न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट अजरा खान और आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ एक डाइट प्लान जो मेरी टेस्टेड ऑन माय क्लाइंट सीरीज का ही एक डाइट प्लान होने वाला है। बहुत टाइम पहले, आई थिंक 2.5 years पहले, मैंने एक सीरीज निकाली थी इस चैनल पे जहाँ पे मैं शेयर करती थी अपने क्लाइंट के डाइट प्लान्स, कुछ ऐसे डाइट प्लान्स जो उनकी बॉडी पे अमेजिंगली वर्क किए। एंड द पर्पस ऑफ द डाइट प्लान वॉज कि अगर आप उस डाइट प्लान को फॉलो करें तो हो सकता है उस तरह का ही रिजल्ट आपको भी मिले। The diet plan I'm talking about has been tested on my client who lost around 1 kg of weight in a span of 3 days. This is a very dramatic weight loss and this is not the initial weight loss, it is just weight loss in the middle. तो ये कोई detox plan नहीं है, it is a proper diet plan and in 3 days she lost 1 kg. Maybe you can lose more, maybe you can lose a little lesser than that, but you are definitely going to achieve the results. Tested on my client series is a very personal series to me because I curate my meal plans for my clients depending on what their body needs, and when something works amazingly for them, I definitely try to share it with you. So without further ado, if you are someone suffering from PCOD, if you are someone who has difficulty losing weight, then this diet plan will definitely work out for you. Now I'm not saying that you just have to follow this diet plan for 3 days, you can follow it for as long as you want to, but यही specific चीजें होंगी, so you can alternate with other diet plans in order to make it a little interesting. या सो अभी जो डाइट प्लान मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ, ये कोशिश करिए कि एटलीस्ट 5 days तक फॉलो करें टू सी द चेंजेस। एंड हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू सी द चेंजेस, जस्ट टेक अ पिक्चर of your body, just weigh yourself on the weighing scale and after 5 days you can do the same again and then you can see कि कैसा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हुआ। इस तरीके से अगर आप ट्रैक करते हैं तो डेफिनेटली मुझे कमेंट्स में जरूर बताएं कि आपकी बॉडी पे कैसा रिजल्ट रहा, पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव वट एवर। आई वुड लव टू रीड योर फीड। ऑल्सो फॉलो मी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल जहाँ पे मैं डेली बेसिस पे स्टोरीज पोस्ट करती रहती हूँ रिगार्डिंग द काइंड ऑफ हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल यू कैन फॉलो, एंड अपने क्लाइंट्स का फीडबैक, अपने क्लाइंट्स के रिव्यूज भी मैं वहाँ पे डालती रहती हूँ so that you get a little motivated out of it. And daily basis पे I make reels for your healthy lifestyle promotion, community of a lot of people who are like-minded and support each other in their journey. Now without further ado, let's begin with the diet plan which has been tested on my client and she lost 1 kg in 3 days. Let's begin. The diet plan which I'm going to tell you is PCOD friendly. The client who I am talking about is suffering from PCOD and she lost 1 kg in 3 days, which was like a miracle for her. She was very excited and I was excited too. So शुरू करते हैं अपने दिन की और स्टार्ट करते हैं with morning water. She started her day with copper water. Now copper का ग्लास में आपको पानी रखना है रात भर और in the morning you just have to drink it. It is full of antioxidant benefits and it is going to detox your body for sure without adding anything. So this helped her a lot and I would definitely ask you to try doing that every single day, not just for 3 days. Next comes her breakfast. So in this meal plan, her morning breakfast was my weight loss coffee. Weight loss coffee which I'm talking about, uski recipe in detail is over here. Just click it over here and you are going to go directly to the recipe. So ye recipe include hogi as the breakfast of this weight loss meal plan. Now, if you are suffering from PCOD, PCOS, we often think that we cannot consume dairy. We just have to make sure that what is the source of milk which we are using. You can either use a plant-based milk which does not have a lot of hormonal injections ingested in the cattle before you milk it out. Otherwise, you can have cow milk as well, which is very light in consistency and you are going to be okay. So do not worry that you just have to quit as soon as you are detected with PCOD. Now let's come to the snack option, which is going to be 1 banana. So yes, you have to eat 1 banana every single day, especially if you have thyroid and PCOD. This is really going to help you get enough potassium in your body. It is going to help you satiate your hunger. It is going to lower your insulin spikes as well. So definitely one fruit which you have to eat in the mid-morning snack is going to be banana. In this particular meal plan is going to be very restrictive in this diet plan and we are not going to consume any glutinous item in this diet plan. So we have to add in quinoa pulao or quinoa chila. Both of them made from the seed quinoa और quinoa pulao की रेसिपी मैं अभी आपको बता रही हूँ कि आपको कैसे बनानी है। सो फॉर कीनोआ पुलाव फर्स्ट वी हैव टू चॉप इन द वेजीज. यहाँ पे मैं कैप्सिकम चॉप इन कर रही हूँ, थोड़ा सा कैबेज मैं इसमें डालूंगी, अनियंस, टोमेटोज, peas, whatever vegetables you have, you can add them. You can even add carrots, you can add cauliflower, whatever you feel like, whatever is available. Just try to add in as many vegetables as possible so that it is high in fiber, high in dietary fiber होने के साथ साथ it is going to be easy for you to digest. Then I have added some paneer, some basic salt and pepper, Indian spices, थोड़ा सा turmeric, and that's about it. उसके बाद मैंने साइड में कीनोआ बॉईल करके उसको स्ट्रेन कर लिया था एंड वो मैं डाल रही हूँ 1 कप एंड मिक्सिंग इट ऑल टुगेदर अगेन. थोड़ा सा ऊपर से आप मसाले अपने फेवरेट, यहाँ पे मैं एक टिप देना चाहूँगी, अगर आप मैगी का मसाला डालेंगे इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी सुपर डिलिशियस, बहुत अच्छा फ्लेवर आता है उसका एंड दैट इज़ हाउ यू हैव टू मेक इट. इट इज़ सुपर न्यूट्रिशियस. मैं यहाँ पे मैगी का मसाला डाल रही हूँ, सो ट्राई दिस हैक, इट रियली वर्क. Tasty, lowers your insulin spikes, very filling and satiating, and super good for PCOD. So this was quinoa pulao recipe. Quinoa chila की recipe मेरे last PCOD के diet plan में थी. Quinoa is a seed which has low glycemic index. It is high in fiber and it is definitely going to help you lose your weight in PCOD as well, which has been proven in this case. जो मेरी client का result आपके. General, I do recommend a lot of quinoa based meals in her meal plan because that suited her body. Now, if you are someone who does not like quinoa or you cannot find quinoa around you, it is not available, you can always switch to oats. So you can use oats chilas and along with that you can have a little bit of curd, a little bit of chutney, salad on the side, or you can have oats khichdi as well. So both of the options are available. Now let's come to the evening snack. Now evening में और morning में दोनों time पे आप आधा आधा कप चाय भी पी सकते हैं. I would not recommend you to have any sort of sugar, so do not add any sweetener in your chai. But if you are a chai lover, if you are a coffee lover, आप around 2 small cups of tea या coffee consume कर सकते हैं. It is totally safe for you. To have a fistful of nuts. Now the nuts can comprise of black raisins, walnuts, cashews, and you can also have almonds. So these are the 4-5 nuts which you can use. You can use dates as well, whatever is around you, whatever is in the budget, whatever is available at the moment, you can have those nuts along with the tea which you are having. Now if you are someone who has just 1 cup of tea, तो इस टाइम पे आप अपने नट्स के साथ ग्रीन टी लोगे. इफ यू आर समवन हु डज नॉट लाइक नट्स और हैज एलर्जीज, तो उसके रिप्लेसमेंट में यू विल टेक फॉक्स नट्स विच इज मखानास, जस्ट रोस्टेड in ghee, and you are going to be good to go. Now let's come to the dinner part. The last meal of the day is going to be a nachni roti, which is ragi flour ki roti. Along with that, 1 cup of लौकी की सब्जी या तो फिर कद्दू की सब्जी, cooked in 1 teaspoon of olive oil or mustard oil, very little oil, and you can use any gourd available. I am giving you pumpkin and bottle gourd, but you can definitely use whatever gourd is available. But gourd की ही सब्जी होनी चाहिए, and a bowl full of salad. So this is going to be your dinner. नाचनी की रोटी यानी कि रागी फ्लावर की रोटी के ऊपर आप 1 टीस्पून ऑफ घी डालोगे, which is really essential for PCOD, and do not forget that at all. So last में हमारा आता है night drink. Night drink is going to be ACV water, apple cider vinegar water in this diet plan. But if you are someone who detests ACV, आपको ACV नहीं पसंद, आप उसके replacement में lemon water ले सकते हो. So this is the entire full day's eating, and this is going to be your meal plan for 5 days, and you just have to see how your body responds to this particular meal plan. ओवरऑल इसके साथ कुछ डूज एंड डोंट्स है जो आपको फॉलो करने हैं, जो मेरे क्लाइंट ने किए थे, इसलिए मैं आपको पूरा डिटेल में बता रही हूँ कि व्हाट इज दैट व्हिच शी एक्चुअली डिड. सो you have to walk around 10,000 steps a day. Body movement is very essential. You have to do 10 minutes of yoga, any form of yoga, strength training, 10 minutes आपको करनी ही करनी है. You have to include 3 liters of water. मेरा water challenge चल रहा है अभी on the channel. This is the link over here. It is really going to help you in debloating your body, depuffing your body, getting rid of the toxins. So try doing the water challenge along with this diet plan. It is very important that you take at least 7 hours of at a stretch sleep. So पूर्ण की नींद बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. And fifth on the list is do not stress. Stress is an enemy if you are trying to lose weight. It is very important that you do not keep on thinking about your weight loss, rather start doing something about it. And इसीलिए ये diet plan अगर आप follow करोगे with these do's, you are definitely going to reach your goal. Now don'ts अगेन डोंट्स में ये है कि आपको प्रोसेस्ड शुगर, प्रोसेस्ड फूड आइटम्स नहीं कंज्यूम करना है ड्यूरिंग दीज 5 days. यू डोंट हैव टू स्किप योर टोटल डेली एक्टिविटी, जो मैंने आपको बताया कि 10,000 स्टेप्स इज द मिनिमम विच यू हैव टू डू. You can't use any of the processed packet biscuits और नमकीन इस पीरियड में जब आप डाइट फॉलो कर रहे हो. So all in all, this is the entire meal plan along with the do's and don'ts of the Tested on My Client series, and I hope you try this out and get benefited out of it. Now quinoa कहाँ से मिले? Easily Big Basket पे available होता है, Amazon पे available होता है. White quinoa या brown quinoa both आर इजिली अवेलेबल. जो भी आपको एक्सेसिबल हो आप वो ले सकते हो. इस डाइट प्लान को एक बार ट्राई करके देखिए एंड यू आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू सी द चेंजेस. विद दैट आई कम टू द एंड ऑफ दिस टेस्टेड ऑन माय क्लाइंट वेट लॉस डाइट प्लान विद PCOD special ingredients. So I hope it is going to help a lot of my PCOD girls out there. Let me know in the comment section if it helped you or not. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay fit, stay happy, stay healthy. Goodbye.